Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test to make sure your microphone is working and picking up audio on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the system tile. And then on the left side underneath system, you want to select sound. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down where it says test your microphone. If you don't see bars going here, that means your microphone is not being picked up. So you may have to go underneath choose your input device right above here and make sure you're selecting your correct microphone device. And then it should give you bars indicating that it's working down here as you're speaking into it. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.